Hey guys, if you want to factory restore your iPad, so factory reset it, delete everything which does include the Apple ID from within it, then you guys can go on into settings. So in your settings, general, all the way down, transfer and reset iPad, and then from here, erase all content and settings. So tap on there. Then this will delete everything, your pictures, personal information, Apple ID from it, everything from within this iPad. You will be able to use your Apple ID obviously on your iPhone, another iPad, or you can set it up again in this iPad if you want to, because you're not deleting your Apple ID itself, you're just deleting it from within the iPad here. So we're gonna go into continue. Then we're gonna erase iPad. Put in your passcode if you have one. So ours is actually extremely easy. And then you're gonna see this, the Apple logo. So you're gonna want to do this if you're selling your iPad or you're returning it. You have to factory reset it to delete everything within it. The new owner can go ahead and set it up again, or you guys can just set it up without any personal information inside of it so the other person can test it out. If you're returning this in the other hand, then you don't need to set it up again. You can just turn it off after it's done factory resetting. But right now, just let it be and then come back to it later on where you guys are gonna see the welcome screen. So as mentioned, after your iPad did its thing, deleted everything, which just takes a few seconds, you're gonna see this hello screen. You guys can scroll up and set it up again, or if you're just returning it or selling it without setting up, go ahead and press to fully shut this down. Not to just shut it down, but to force shut it down. You guys can press this button, so that's the volume key up, volume key, power button at the same time, and you're gonna see this message popping up on your iPad. So let me just turn this around so you guys can see that a little bit better. And it's gonna tell you slide to power off. So that's how you guys can completely power this off. And at this point in time, you guys can go on and just put it away. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.